Hello everyone, welcome to Flyingvoice Academy. This is Levine. In this training, I will show you about our IP phone product and I hope it will help you have a better understanding of them through this training. So here is the outline of the training, and we will cover those parts to help you build up your knowledge about Flyingvoice IP phone product. To give you have a better understanding of our product, here is an overview of our IP phone. Our IP phones are divided into three series. The earliest is the FIP1 series, our classic line, which consists of 8 models. The first 4 of FIP1 series are hot model, and the last 4 are classic. We are not pushing the classic model now, and the 2 standout models in this series are the FIP1 5G Plus, which features a 4.3-inch touchscreen and support video calling with our intercom device. The FIP1 5G Plus also comes with the dual-band 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing easy connectivity and for wireless headset or direct Wi-Fi network access. This makes it ideal for applications such as front desk installation, enhancing the company image while supporting an external expansion model for quickly transfer incoming call with one touch. Another notable model is our portable Wi-Fi IP phone, the FIP16 Plus. This device comes with a built-in battery, offering up to 120 hours of standby time and 12 hours of talk time, which is perfect for mobile communication. Okay, that's a brief overview of our FIP1 series. In addition, we have 2 more series, the P1 series and P2 series. We have positioned these 2 series differently. The P1 series is our entry-level series, designed to work in a variety of network environments while delivering exceptional cost performance with essential communication features. The P2 series, on the other hand, is aimed at enterprise-level Wi-Fi office usage. This phone comes with a rich array of communication functions, essentially covering every known features available on the market. And the P1 series have 10 models. These can be quickly distinguished by the screen size. One has a 2.3-inch monochrome display, known as the P10 series, while the other features a 2.4-inch color LCD screen, known as the P11 series. Another way to distinguish is by the network environments, for example, whether the deployment use PoE power or gigabit network, or Wi-Fi or LTE. For LTE environments, we have special LTE phone model, which I will cover in detail later. As for the P2 series, this enterprise-level IP phone offers a wide range of communication functions. Their screen size varies from 2.3-inch up to 3.8-inch, available in both mono and color options. They support both wire and Wi-Fi connectivity, and the entire P2 series comes standard with 2.4G Wi-Fi, with some models even support dual-band 5G Wi-Fi. In addition, this model fully supports USB expansion, allowing connection to 5G Wi-Fi model, and the Bluetooth adapter and the expansion board, and USB drive, and more, providing extensive flexibility for additional functionalities. Let's start by taking a look at the P1 series first. P1 series is entry-level IP phone, basically covering the common market needs, and it is cost-effective. It has a total of 10 models with rich function selection and complete basic functions like PoE, Wi-Fi, gigabit, and LTE. It can be quickly distinguished by the screen size. P10 models is 2.3-inch black and white screen, and P11 model is 2.4-inch LCD color screen. Many customers, when they have project need IP phone, or they need to replace the old analog phone system to IP system, and the customer only need basic communication function, they will choose P1 series. The whole P1 series supports rich function selection. They share the same firmware and different with the screen size, color, and some function. The letter after the name stands for some functions such as W is to support dual-band Wi-Fi, P is to support PoE supply, and G is to support both PoE and gigabit network. And in this series, we have a special model, P10 LTE and P11 LTE. You can use SIM card to connect to the internet and get registration information from Cloud PBX. With this feature, we don't need a Wi-Fi signal, We don't need to deploy the network cable. We just need to put in the SIM card and then use the IP phone to call. This is a comparison of the support feature of the P1 model. Phone can be flexibly selected based on the customer installation environment. For example, if the customer network support PoE supplied, we would recommend the P10P or P11P. If their network environment is wireless, then we suggest the P10W or P11W instead. As for business requirements, the P1 series share the same firmware, so basically their support features are the same. For other needs, like if the customer perhaps a monochrome screen, we would recommend the P10 model, which comes with the black and white display. This page is the key parameter of the LTE phone. And as you can see from the picture, the SIM card is inserted from this position. And the LTE phone have two Ethernet ports by default and support two SIP accounts, 6-way audio conference, and HD voice OPAS voice codec. The LTE phone integrates LTE Cat 1 module and can be plugged into a SIM card. Its data transmission rate can reach up to 5 MB per second uplink and 10 MB per second downlink, making it easy to cope with all kinds of networkless environments. P1 series support variety models to suit the customer various installation environments, such as PoE power supply environments, gigabit network environments, Wi-Fi environments, and LTE environments. And P1 series supports two SIP lines and share the same firmware. This is the core parameter of P1 series. Some difference and highlights with competing product in the market. We support function status indicator and 7-level backlight adjustment and 2000 local contact information and unified firmware. And we support auto deployment platform. And this three is our management platform. I will show you later. Okay, that's the introduction of the P1 series. Let's go to the P2 series. We call it feature-rich IP phone. P2 series is positioned as Flyingvoice Enterprise Plus Wi-Fi office phone. It has 9 models with high-performance chips to meet the office need and adapt to a fuller range of application scenarios. P2 series support more hardware and software features than P1 series, including 5G Wi-Fi, USB expansion, USB driver recording, Bluetooth adapter and UHS adapter, and RJ9 inline headset, voice performance optimizers, etc. This is the picture of the P2 series model, and they share the same firmware too, and different with the screens and some function. Also, the W of the name means they support dual band Wi-Fi. P means they support PoE supplies, and G means support both PoE and gigabit network. And the green bottle beside the screens is line key. P20 have 2 line key, and P21 have 4. P23G and P23GW have 8. It supports BLF function. It can detecting the status of the extension, and when the extension number is during a call or register fail, it will turn red. When the number has an incoming call, it will flash red, and when the extension is not registered, it will be gray. This is a comparison of the support feature of the P2 series model. And it can be flexibly selected based on the customer installation environment. For example, if the customer needs gigabit network, we could recommend the P20G or P23G or P23GW. If they need dual band Wi-Fi, then we suggest the P23GW instead. And other model, they need USB dongle to support that. As for business requirements, the P2 series share the same firmware, so basically their support features are the same. For other usage needs, like if the customer perhaps a long text displays, we would recommend the widescreen model P22P or P22G. Here is a special model of P2 series, P22. It is a widescreen model with 3.5-inch and 3.8-inch black and white screen, two zip lines, built-in Wi-Fi, gigabit network, PoE supplied, USB port, and accessory. And it has a special feature, longer test display. This page showing that the longer test display look like in India and Brazil. Many customers they need to display over 20 digits of customer call number, and the longer test display features can meet this requirement. This page is our hot model P21. A color screen business IP phone support this feature both like full SIP account and line key, built-in Wi-Fi, PoE supply, and USB port and accessory, and more. This is the Explore feature of P2 series. They all support expansion model and 3-page turning keys. Each page have 72 keys and totally up to 216 DSS key, and dual color LED with adjustment. And also P2 series both have M1 to M6 programmable key for speed dial. P2 series can connect accessory for better experience, like Bluetooth earphone, RJ9 wired headset with answer, hang up, mute, volume adjust function, and 5G dongle to connect Wi-Fi, and recording with USB drive. And we also support auto and manual recording. And there are two special features of P2 series, and the other manufacturer don't have this feature. In simple terms, Wi-Fi to LAN can convert the wireless signal received by P2 series IP phone into the wired network for use by LAN port connect device. And the AP mode can convert the wired signal into Wi-Fi network for use by Wi-Fi connect device. So if a customer don't know the Wi-Fi information in the hotel, or they don't want to connect wireless network, they just connect wired network through a cable to our IP phone. The Wi-Fi to LAN can do that. And if hotel want to provide individual Wi-Fi access for each room, AP mode can do that. In terms of voice quality, we have HD voice, support G722, Opus, and others voice codec. And we pass ETSI audio standard test. This certification can make sure the call security. And both P1 series and P2 series support 7-level bed-like adjustment to make customers feel comfortable when they are sleeping, especially hotel guests. Here's the picture shows the adjustment. And this is a picture showing what the backlight adjustment looks like. This function is suitable for hotel rooms and other scenarios. And we support SML browser. Both P1 series and P2 series support that. And we can set the soft key DSS key to view some website for information, like stock and news. And both P1 series and P2 series support remove text information. For instance, LCD display weather information or some notes. With this feature, administrator can quickly send various messages such as meeting notes and training notification and emergency alerts, helping administrator achieve efficient information dissemination. This page is some core parameter of P2 series, some difference and highlights with compelling product in the market, including the feature I just showed you, like AP function and Wi-Fi to LAN, 2000 local contact information. Okay, that's all of P2 series. Let's go to FIP1 series. This page is the special model of FIP1 series. Elite touchscreen IP phone FIP1 5G Plus, and big button phone FIP12WP, then red phone FIP12WP Red, and portable dual-band Wi-Fi IP phone, FIP16 Plus. This page shows the classic model of FIP1 series, and we are not pushing them now because they have upgraded to P1 series or P2 series, for example. The FIP10 upgrade to P20, and the FIP11 upgrade to P21. FIP13G upgrade to P23G, and FIP14G upgrade to P23GW. And this is a comparison of the support feature of FIP1 series model. For example, if the customer have business requirement like video call, we could recommend video phone FIP15G Plus. If customer need red phone to set for public emergency device, we recommend FIP12WP Red. This page is FIP15G Plus. It is a touchscreen high-end IP phone with rich feature. We usually pre-sell and recommend with the P2 series together. Both of them have many highlight functions like dual-band 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, PoE, and USB ports for USB dongle, and supports multiple programmable key or connect to an expansion module. And it supports video streaming via SRTP. That means you can make video call linkage our video intercom product. Okay, FIP15G Plus have the 4.3-inch touchscreen and video linkage feature. It can connect to our i8-6V and i11V and i12V with H.264 protocol. And it have the USB port. We usually use it for recording to prevent loss of important data. We support both manual and auto recording. And it can also connect it to our expansion module through the USB port to provide more programmable key for users like speed dial, BOF function, and other function. Our expansion module with P2ESP support up to 260 EXT keys. This page is FIP12WP. We call it elderly phone. It is a big button phone designed for helping old people to use it easily. And the FIP12 Red is for some customer like North American. They need the emergency device in public area to be read, like the metro station and fire exit and other scenario. They both have 3.5-inch black and white screen and default 2 SIP account. Integrate 2.4G Wi-Fi and PoE supplied, and it has a special design, help button. This is the big button and help button design. User can long press them to set a speed dial number and then make one touch call to the number. And we support to connect with a wireless SOS button, PB01, so that the user no need to touch the phone, and they can make one touch call for help when there are an emergency occurs and they are unable to get to the phone. And this page is FIP16 Plus. It's a portable IP phone, support dual-band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi roaming. That means you will not be disconnected when talking and working in area with different AP signal. And with the built-in battery, it allows to talk up to 12 hours and 120 hours of standby time. The latest tests say we can do 150 hours of standby now. After learning about the 3 series of IP phone, let's review the special models. Here's our special model, FIP15G Plus, Elite Touchscreen IP phone, and FIP12WP, Big Button IP phone, and the FIP16 Plus, Portable Dual-Band Wi-Fi IP phone, and the P22P, Business Widescreen IP phone, and P1 series LTE phone, entry-level office LTE phone. Okay, after learning our IP phone product, let's see what our accessory can do with IP phone. Flyingvoice IP phone can connect accessory to meet some office needs. These accessories include wire, headset, and headset adapter, and the Bluetooth adapter, and the expansion module, allowing users to flexibly combine various products to suit different scenarios. For example, in some company, they have a business requirement that is long duration call. In this case, sales or interview personnel often need to hold the phone handset for extended periods. They might also need their hands free to take notes, or sales personnel conducting conference call often need to note important information for administrative or HR staff. This setup is clearly inconvenient. To address this need, we recommend a handset solution which can use this accessory, HP200, BT50, and EHS10, to address wire and wireless earphone solution. And the scenario to use the expansion module P2USB is the need of efficient call transfer at the reception. Reception often needs to handle call transfer quickly. We provide two solutions for that. For fewer than 10 transfer targets, we recommend desktop phone with multiple DNS key. This programmable key enables quick call transfer to relevant department or colleague. It also allows you to reserve keys for other key features. For more than 10 transfer targets, we suggest external expansion model P2ESP to further improve transfer efficiency. And the HP01 is designed for emergency call scenario. With the USB receive dongle, IP phone can be used to call the call center, nurse station, and other places with one key in case of emergency. PP01 emergency button can be used in emergencies, one press silent call, to ensure the safety of the caller for help. Applicable to bank, financial centers, customer service desks, and other places. That's all of our product, and we also have tools to easily manage them. Flyingvoice Management Tool is designed for Flyingvoice partner. And we have three management platforms, FACS, FRPS, and FDC. FACS is provide customer with cloud-based unified management of equipment and remote maintenance and provision and other service. RPS is provide redirection service for customer third-party management platform. And FDC is a local software based on the device management and batch deployment tool. FHCS is a cloud platform designed for efficient VoIP device management. It provides a scalable platform for device configuration, maintenance, and provision and upgrade. This page is the FHCS feature overview. The first feature is cloud-based service, no setup required, and accessible anytime and anywhere. Second, we can do provision and configuration in batch, up to 50,000 devices remotely. Thirdly, the real-time monitor allows monitor account registration and running status of device in real time. Then the clearly defined roles is for easy management. You don't need an in-house IT staff when the system requires upgrades. Last one, FACS spend less time deploying device and more time working on a new initiative to increase productivity. FRPS means Flyingvoice Redirection Provision Service. It is designed to simplify device deployment by enabling secure zero-touch provisioning. Once configured, device can be plug and play, and it can point the phone to the third-party management server to allow users to manage Flyingvoice device with their own cloud management platform or cloud PBX. FDC is a local software base of the device management and batch deployment tool. Enable users to import or export device configuration parameters, upload phone book, upgrade, restart, and etc., making it easier to manage setting multiple devices in local area network. Well, that's all of today's training. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.